Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually delete slides on your Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to delete your slide, it's as simple as highlighting one of the slides. So whether it's this first slide, second slide, whatever, then you can either come over to your keyboard and press the delete key, or you can come over to the slide and right click and then come over to delete slide. And there is also an option where you can actually delete multiple slides at once. So if you want to delete this whole, let's say we want to delete slides 1 through 5, I just have to go in and select slide 1, come over to slide 5, hold shift, left click, and you can see I went ahead and I was actually able to highlight all 5 of those slides. If we want to go ahead and select slides that aren't, I guess, a non-concurrent order, like maybe we want to delete slides 1, we want to delete slide 3, we want to delete slide 5, what we could do is we can go ahead and select slide 1, hold control, select slide 3 by left clicking, hold control again, left click on slide 5, and now you see I have slides 1, 3, and 5 highlighted. Now if I go ahead and hit delete, I'm actually able to delete them. And if you want to go ahead and undelete something, you just have to come over to undo, or you can do Control Z on your keyboard.